That one is just looking at Ben and looking at Ben. Oh.
Okay. That's Tiny Tim, otherwise known as Timothius. What's his name, Great? What do you call him? Miniature Timothius. Used to call him Tiny Tim. He's having fun. Okay, and this is Belle. Hi, Belle. Hi, Belle. Oh, she's stuck on my leg. Okay, and that's Holly. She's playing with Timothius. And there is Rudy getting ready to chew. Oh, Ben grabbed Rudy. He's got the... Uh-oh. Okay. There's Snow with the green collar. There's Rudy walking along. And here is Max in my lap as usual. Hi, Max. Trying to eat the camera cord. Okay. And this is Angel. Angel! Angel, look over here. Angel. 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 There she is. There's Angel. Oh, thank you. There's Belle again. There's Snow. Where's Holly? Oh, there's Holly. There's Holly. Hi, Holly. Okay. And Max. Hi, Max. Oops. And Tiny Tim, aka Timothius. Who am I missing? Did I remember everybody? Okay, there's Rudy by the fireplace. And Holly with him. Tiny Tim. Max. Here's Belle. And Snow. There's Max again. Alright. And we don't like our new collars, so everybody's trying to scratch them off again. That's Belle chewing on my camera cord. We're missing somebody. Where's Rudy? Hi, Tibby. Oh, here comes Rudy. Rudy's here. Rudy is such a big lump. Rudy, you're a big lump. Yes, you are. Uh-oh. Grab her. Thank you. Hello. This is Holly. Hi, Holly. And they are 6 weeks old tomorrow. Got an action-packed battle of titans here. Hi, Max. Hi, Max. Yes. Hello. Hi, Belle. Hi, Belle. What you doing, Belle? Are they eating my broom over there? Oh my goodness. Hello. This is Angel. Yes. We're trying to corral them all in one area. What do you want? Uh-oh. Hey. Hey. What you got there, Max? What you got there? Oh, you're a bad puppy. Yes, you are. Right down. Uh-oh, he's by the cord again. All right. I guess we're gonna stop now.